This is Dennis with TEXA USA. We're here today to calibrate this 2024 Freightliner Cascadia forward-facing camera. Let's get started. First, we're going to do a pre-scan. Okay, now that the scan is complete, we're going to look in here, make sure all of our systems we need to work on don't have any codes in them. In this case here, we've got our forward-facing camera. No faults. We're going to go into camera installation height. At this point, we have to measure the camera height to the ground. We're getting ready to start the calibration. Highlight the calibration. It's going to tell us everything we need to be doing and the steps in the way. So we've measured this. That's the height of our camera to the ground, and put that in centimeters. All right, and we measured it on a flat level surface and everything in normal ride height. All right, we're done. We're going to go ahead and start it here. It reminds you to make sure you follow that help sheet so that you're following the exact procedure for driving it. At this point, it brings up a dashboard. Right now the camera calibration is off. We're going to hit confirm, and it's at 0%. All right, for safety purposes, I'm going to put the scan tool down here on the floor, put my seatbelt on, and away we go. We're driving on a well-marked road here, trying to keep the steering wheel straight as possible. During the calibration, this will normally take around 3 to 4 miles of driving. 90%. Okay. All right, message on the dash went away. We're good to test this system, see if it works. So there's our notification on the left. There's our notification on the right. So system's working properly. We're going to turn this around, head back to the shop. So now we're at 100%. We're going to hit confirm. We got our calibration done correctly. It shows our VIN number, the date we did it. Confirm. All right, we're going to go in here and clear our code. Code went green. We're good to go. Going to exit out of here. All right, we have our final post scan we've got to do here. We're going to start our post scan. At this point, we've done our post scan, we've got our information. These codes were here before we started. We don't clear those codes. This truck's ready to go, calibration's complete. Thank you for joining us at TEXA USA.